Hi Art fans, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be going over today's highlights of September 21st. And as you can see, the portfolio is more green than red, so good news there. Finally ticking back upwards. We'll go over the biggest moves, we'll go over the market value trend, and we'll see if there is any new or removed company. And we'll also keep an eye on our daily watch list of Nano Dimension, DraftKings, Palantir, and Skills. Yeah, so stay with me and please like and subscribe. It helps me immensely, and I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, friends. So in our summary section, we keep an eye on the trend of market value of all the 8 funds combined. So as you can see, it's been a downward trend. There was a slight uptick in one of the weeks, 4 data points that are going up. 4 days it went up, and then it suddenly went down, destroying all the gains that they made over those 4 days in one go. And then today again it's starting to go back up just a little bit, 0.6% more than yesterday, 41.93 billion. And this is how those 41.93 billion divided in the 8 ETFs that they have. And these are the number of companies present in those 8 ETFs. Total number of companies being 276, staying constant for quite some time now. And let's go over the biggest moves. So biggest moves, we look at it two ways always. One by percentage of shares movement. So the threshold today that we have is 2%. So any company to which shares were added or removed, or 2% or more, will show up here. These are the companies that fit that criteria. This is their ranking in 276 companies that they have. Robinhood again popping up today. They added 4% more shares there. 308,000 shares, making a difference of 25.7 million. And when I hover over these bar charts, you'll see some more information pop up, like it's present in 3 ETFs, W, K, and F, and the trend of shares and stock price also you will see there. Then Genius Sports, 4% added there. 3D Systems popping up after a long time, 3% extra shares. Signify Health, 2% extra shares. Zoom, 2%. Concord Acquisition, 2% extra shares. And Archer Aviation, 2% too. In terms of negative, Yehika is 78% removed, NXP Semiconductors 40% removed, Nvidia 38%, Caribou Biosciences 35% removed, Teradyne 20% removed, Novartis 10%, Nintendo 10%, C 4%, Synopsys 3%, and Semaphore Holdings also 2% removed. In terms of biggest one, it's Novartis, no sorry, Teradyne, 49.7 million worth of shares. Actually, shares were removed 20%, and also the stock price went down slightly. So this is combined effect, obviously. Um, Now let's change this to 0 and increase the market value change from yesterday. So this is a diff from yesterday. Basically, that's how we do these videos, do these charts. We do a diff. Weekly videos do a diff from Monday. Daily videos do a diff from yesterday. Monthly from first of the month, etc. We change this threshold just to make it more consumable. As you can see, Teladoc is topping the charts. So the threshold of shares movement is turned to 0. So whether there were any shares movement at all or not, we'll see what were the biggest gainers just because stock price went up. So this is Teladoc, UiPath. You can look at the trends also at the same time. Unity Software, Roku, Tesla is a winner today as well. Coinbase, Robinhood, we checked that in the other chart as well. Twist Biosciences, Nvidia, Twitter. Then you have C, Teradyne, and DraftKings taking a hit also. So that's the biggest moves. Let's go over the portfolio. We have put this in the banner as well. A lot of green today. As we saw, the market value is upward, but a lot of but somewhat red as well. Overall effect is positive. So that's what we have here. DraftKings, and this is Teradyne, making it go negative. Then new and removed companies, there are none today. The total number of companies has stayed constant for quite some time now. Then you have daily watch list. No shares movement at all in NNDM, so not even adjustments. This is great. Rest of them, it's also very less, 0.1% less than yesterday, so I won't worry about it at all. This is just more like an adjustment. But DraftKings value dropped quite a bit, market value, because the stock price dipped quite a bit. So that's why this is red. They are pretty bullish on all four of these, and these four are the favorites of many investors as well. I'm invested in three of those, not invested in Palantir yet, but yeah, invested in all four of those. Anyway, so that's the watch list. If there is a big movement in any of these, I click on that and then I take a look at the trends, longer term trends, and slice it by ETFs also. That's because we collect data on daily basis and we are able to do those things. No other YouTube channel is able to do that. We are the only ones. That's our USP. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.